Hi everyone, welcome back to Roc.com, and in this tutorial we will go through all the new updates and bells and whistles that have been added to Roc.com, as well as how to sign in if you are a new business owner, jumping in and making the choice to sign up for the first time. And here we go. So now, brief tour of our front page here, showing you everything that's involved with Roc.com, from featured businesses. You can come down here, see all the categories that we have. We're a believer in seeing is believing. So images, images, images. You'll see all over our site. Videos and everything. Upcoming events, from things happening in Irondequoit, story time at the public library, to happy hour yoga. And I think that's actually, where does that happen? Happy hour yoga, I think it's in Batavia, if I'm correct, every second Tuesday of the month. Yeah, Batavia. So yeah, Shop Cool Roc isn't just about Rochester, it's about the surrounding areas as well. So recent articles here. Now if you're a business and you want to write an article that highlights your, I wouldn't say, not highlights your business, but highlights your expertise in your field, you write these articles and they lead back to you. Now, it shows that it's been written, contributed by your business. People see that, and seeing is believing, once again. So we'll go back here where we were, and down here at the bottom, we have popular deals. Also, if you are a business on Roc.com, you could put deals up that people will see. And let me see here. Well, here we are. So what's this say? 15 to 50% off remaining bicycle inventory. 12 months deferred financing available. That simple. Let your customers know. And this deal is from Rochester Fitness and Cycling. And it says offer time left, still 84 days. They're just getting rid of inventory at great rates at the end of the year. So we can go back here. Here's a deal. This happens to be my own because I'm a photographer. Headshots, $75. Everyone can come here and see what the deals are. Time left. You know, this gives people a sense of urgency. I have that much time to book my headshot at this special rate, half off. So those are just a few of the things we have going on, and let's get back to showing you how you could be a part of this if you choose to be. So what we'll do is first we'll look at an ad page, and once again we'll just use mine as an example because I know it back and forth. This is a typical ad page for a business. You have reviews. If anyone uses your services and they like you, they'll gladly leave a review. You'll see I have 7 reviews here. I'm fortunate. They're all great. We can go back to overview here. This is where you put in your long description, and here's what we see. And the cool thing about this, I'll show you in the editor all of these things that we can do here. You can customize your editing and highlight things. You can make links in your description. If you have specials, like I say, I have a headshot promo, you can link right to it in your description of your business. I don't know too many other sites or directories that allow you to do this. Here's our map. of your business. And it tells you where I'm located. You can even put the area of the city or area of wherever you're at in here. So I'm located in the neighborhood of the arts in Rochester. These here are all features, things that I do at my studio and my photography business. I do product photography, headshots, events, profile videos, custom video creation, social media content. All of these things you'll be able to do and list special features for your business as well. A great feature that's been added to shop.roc.com is videos. The power of video, that's why we added this to shop.roc.com. And so anyone who's on the site that's looking at your page, looking for services that you offer, can come in here and literally see. You can speak directly to them through video. So that's a sample of the power of video that you can use for your business, and it really works. So let's get into the thick of it. You have got this far, you're interested in signing up, or you already did. So here's how you do it and how easy it is. I'm going to show you everything that you need to do in order to get these results. Photos, deals, all of this, your overview, how to add hyperlinks, images, everything.